Okay, so cold emails, right? We all hate them. But what if they didn't suck? Today, we're gonna look at 7 different ways to write email that people actually wanna read. No jargon, no pushy sales stuff, just simple chill templates that get replies. Think of it like we're gonna make your emails less robot spam and more, hey, let's chat. Sounds good, right? So let's jump in. Well, the first one. The first one is called short personalized template and it's super simple. And why does it work? Well, it's short and sweet and we are talking bare minimum words here because the shorter your email, the better chances it has. And we space things out nicely to make it super easy to read and we cut right to the chase because no fancy intros needed. And here how we do it. So start with something personal. Hey Harry, just used Perplexity's new deep search feature, so cool. This shows that you've done your homework and gives them a little high five. And then we spot something relevant, like noticed you scale your sales team. Honestly, I bet you book 30% more sales meetings with AI SDR agents. Boom, we've linked what we do and what they need. Finally, we wrap it up with super casual, would it be a terrible idea for you to learn how we can help? And that's way better than pushing for a meeting right away. We're just asking them if they want to chat. Okay, template number 2, free service or free audits. So basically, instead of hitting people up for a demo right away, you offer them something free, like a quick audit. It's like, hey, check out how awesome we are before you buy anything. The whole point is to meet them, to give them a taste of your product, and then talk about the real deal. Keep it short, just like the other templates. Instead of pushing for a meeting, you pushing for that freebie. And it's gonna be something they actually care about. Well, it's all about noticing something cool about their company. Like notice you're actively hiring more people on Airtable. Then you say why you're relevant, like we help 500 other SDR teams from tech companies. And then here is your freebie. If I can make a free audit for your current outbound system, would it be worth a conversation? Well, that's it. It should get you some more replies. All right, template 3. Super simple, we use this one all the time. It's not like crazy personalized, but it still got some personal touches based on what they do, where they work, and what problems they might have. And you start like, hey George, I'm reaching out to you because I noticed your LinkedIn profile, blah, blah, blah. And then here you basically say that, look, I don't know if you're buying anything right now, but since we've helped other people like you, maybe this is interesting. And you ask if the person would be available for a quick call. Well, basically that's a chill way to start a conversation. It's not a hard sell and it gets responses. Okay, template 4. So it's super personalized and digging into what they actually doing. So you start by noticing something specific they've done, like here, notice Later's recent launch of AI-powered social listening. Then you connect that to something they're probably doing, like since you are working with enterprise brands on influence marketing, and here you hit them with your value. So you're basically telling what you do and why you can be relevant for them. And here you casually ask if the person wants to chat. And the cool part is that you actually throw a personalized PS at the end, something you saw on their LinkedIn like a hobby or interest. So it's basically template 2 but with extra sprinkles. All right, template 5. We are calling this tweetable cold emails. Yeah, like short enough for Twitter, our founder Alec came up with this back at the day, and we still use them. Basically, it's for founders talking to other founders. And here is the deal. Keep it super short, like think Twitter length. The point is to get straight to the point, actually. Show value quick and not be pushy. So here it goes. Hi John, Alec from Reply here. I found your startup on AngelList and really liked the idea. Then you go straight to the question, what are your future plans as for attracting new users? And then super chill CTA. I thought you may have some ideas. Oh, sorry. I thought I may have some ideas for you. Let me know what you think. And these things get replies, trust me. People dig the short and sweet. Continue with template 6, which called sales through customer development. Basically, you're not selling, you're asking for help. This is perfect for founders, startups, anyone launching something new. Instead of pitching, you're grabbing feedback. You get people on call, show them what you're working on, and they're like, "Oh, this is cool, I want to try it." Here's how you do it. "Hi Vlad, I'm gathering insights to build a new project for sales, blah blah blah." You basically tell them what it's for, what it's about. And then you butter them up. Like you experience as a VP of sales. So basically you're telling them you're smart, tell me what you think. And then basically simple open to a 45-minute chat. And here is a kicker. I'll send you $100 Amazon card as thank you for your time. That PS line, huge reply booster. People love free stuff. Alright, template 7. This one is super simple follow-up. Think of it as you just checking in, but way better. We use this on our second email in a sequence, and it works with pretty much all the other templates we talked about. It's short, sweet, and to the point. Thought I should clarify, John. You hit your value proposition here, and the short question, if any of this resonates, is it worth speaking? It's like 3 lines, no hard sells, just a quick reminder and a slightly different angle on what you do. Gets good replies and super effective. Well, there you go, you have it. 7 cool templates that you can start using right now to boost your reply rates. Remember, the key is to be genuine, offer value, and keep it casual. Ditch the hard sales and focus on starting a conversation. And which one of those you're gonna try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more cool tips and tricks like this for leveling up your outreach game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.